Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important interview question asked in big MNC companies like Amazon, Deloitte, TCS, Wipro, etc. So this is the question. Given an array having positive and negative numbers, our task is to arrange them in an alternative fashion such that every positive number is followed by a negative number and vice versa, maintaining the order of appearances. This is the most important interview program. So this is the sample input -5, -2, 5, 2, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0, -8. Sample output or expected output -5, 5, -2, 2, -8, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0. So let's solve this program. So let's get started. Create one package. So right click, package, com.in, com.in, add one class test. So add main method. This is the input array, right? So add this one. Integer arr array of. So see here -5, -2, 5, 2. So -5, -2, 5, comma 2. So 4, comma 7, comma 1. 4, comma 7, comma 1. 8, 0, -8, comma 8, 0, comma -8. So this is the input. So maximize the screen. Here initialize an array. Initialize an array. See, initialize an array with here positive and negative numbers are there, right? So initialize an array with both positive and negative negative numbers. Negative numbers. So next up, we need to create one method for positive and negative number. So positive and negative, we need to pass this array. It will return the again on result array. So integer final result. Suppose this is a final result array. Right? Here some command. Call the method. Call the method to separate and order of order the numbers. Order the numbers. So create one private method. Here call the method to separate. So we are separating the positive and negative numbers by calling this method and reordering the numbers. After that we are reordering the numbers. So right, take one for loop for int I equal to 0 semicolon I less than size I plus plus. So by using this array, find the size arr dot length. It will give the size. So integer size. This size add here I equal to 0, I less than or equal to size I plus plus. Right? So we need to separate positive and negative numbers, right? For that, take two list, one list for the positive numbers, another list for the negative numbers. So these are the two numbers. So integer positive equal to array list, new array list, control shift O, same copy this one. This list contains only integer numbers, right? That's why I'm added. The generic I'm added. So integer. So next negative. So add one comment here. Lists to hold. List to hold positive and negative numbers. Positive and negative numbers. So cut this one. Control X. Paste here. Right. So now this is the positive, right? Take this one. Positive dot add array of I. So array of I. Here we need to mention one condition. Here we need to tell if positive number, then only add to this positive array. For that, suppose if ARR of I, so less than or equal to 0, 0 or above, then only add to this positive array, positive list. Else add to negative. Same copy, control C, control V, change to negative. So select our control shift tab, control S. So right. So now up to where separated positive and negative numbers. So let's add this step. Step 1. Separate positive and negative numbers. Separate positive and negative numbers. Separate positive and negative numbers into respective lists. Into respective lists. So we have two lists created, right? This is the positive list, this is the negative list. So positives add in positive list, negatives add in negative list. This is the condition. So ARR of I, so greater than or equal to 0, 0 or above means 1, 2, 3, etc. If we are saying to add, if any negative numbers are there like -5, -2 like that, saying add here. So let's add command here. So add to positive add to positive list if number is greater than or equal to 0, else else add to add to negative list if number is less than 0. So this is the done, right? Step 2. Now we need to, so yeah, so we have two lists, right? This is the one positive list, negative list. We need to merge alternatively, right? See the question. So given an array having positive and negative numbers. So we are separated positive and negative numbers. Our task is to arrange them in alternative fashion. So we are separated. We need to arrange alternative fashion such that every positive number is followed by a negative number. First positive number, after that negative number. Vice versa, maintaining the order of occurrences. So now we need to use another while loop. We need to integer first index equal to 0, positive index equal to 0, n is negative index equal to 0, I equal to 0. So this is it done. Now we need to find the positive array dot size less than, if index less than positive dot size, and we need to check with the negative as well. So this is the negative index. So here negative. If both are true, then then I percentage 2 double equal to 0. I percentage double equal to 0. To store the result, we need one variable. For that, take one suppose step 3. Prepare an array to hold the final result. So for that, integer result array equal to new integer. We need to pass the size. So now this is the result. So here I plus plus equal to I percentage to double equal to 0. We are finding the even numbers, right? So negative dot get negative index plus plus. Here command if index is even, comma here negative number first. Negative number first. Else so result I plus plus positive. So positive index. First step completed. So this is the second step. So we add here second step. Step 2, merge the positive and negative numbers alternatively. So this is the done. This result here. This is the final result. So if any other positive numbers are there, so we need to add while. So take this one. If any other are there, so this is the positive index. Here, this is the step 4. So step 4, add any remaining positive numbers to the to the result array. Result array. So same we need to add the negative numbers as well. So F5, select all, Control Shift F for format. So negative index. This is the negative. So same, this is also negative. Here also negative index. Right? So let's explain this code. First, I will read the question. Given an array having positive and negative numbers, our task is to arrange them in an alternative fashion such that every positive number is followed by a negative number and vice versa, maintaining the order of appearances. So, for this to solve this problem, first we are done. So, first we are separated. Here, step 1, separate positive and negative numbers into respective lists. We have created two lists like positive and negative to hold the positive and negative numbers. After that, we know positive numbers to find the positive number logic. So, 0 or above are positive numbers, right? So, for that, this added, we have positive numbers added to positive list. This if condition true, if a positive number, then it will be added into positive list, else remaining are negative numbers. So we are added to negative list. After step 2, in steps 2, after we have separated the positive and negative numbers, merge the positive and negative number alternatively. So if index is even, add the negative number first. So here it is important. If even number, then we have said in even number we need to add the negative number. Negative number we need to add the even number. This is the important. If this is the true, that means it is finding the even number. This logic is to find the even number. If it is even number, we want to store in negative number, right? If negative number, we want to store in the positive number. We need to exchange positive negative, right? This is the second step. Third, this is the size. So above is there. This is the size, right? We are finding here size. This file we are created one array. We are finding the size. We are passed this size to result array, new array. So here we are adding the result. So in result we are mixing up negative number, positive number. Right? After that, this is the second step. Third step, the result post step. If any positive numbers, negative number, if any other numbers are there, then we are saying add at last. Positive negatives are completed. If anything else is there in positive list, add. If any other numbers are there in negative list, add. Finally, result array we are returning. So let's check the output. This is the final result, right? To check the output, system.out.println array is, this is the integer array. If you call directly, it will print the as code. It will print the as code. What it will print? Let's check. It will print the as code. Run as Java application. See, it is printing the as code, but we want to values these numbers. To get a numbers, arrays dot as list, arrays dot toString, arrays dot toString. We are converting array to string. So now run as Java application. See, we got the output like this. Let's check as expected or not. So -5, 5, -2, 2, -8, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0, right? As expected. So it is most important interview question asked in big MNC companies like Amazon, Deloitte, TCS, etc. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.